Hi, my name is Rahul Arya. Welcome to Zam Codes. So today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how you can make this beautiful looking blob animation in HTML and CSS. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So open your favorite code editor. I'm using VS Code and create a HTML file. I'm gonna call it text.html. Okay, and I'm also gonna add these values here. Okay, and I'm also gonna create a styles.css file, styles.css. Okay, and I'm gonna link this CSS file in this HTML. So to link this CSS, I can just say link styles CSS. Okay, now let's just run this HTML with live server and see what we are getting. Open with live server. Okay, we are having this black screen. So let's just add some styles. So if I go to my CSS file, let's just add some styles to our body tag. So margin is gonna be 0, padding is also gonna be 0, and box sizing is gonna be border box. Okay, width is gonna be 100%, height is gonna be 100 bh, and let's add some background color as well. So background color is gonna be RGB 17, 29, sorry 29 and 37 maybe. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks good. So let's add the blob here as well. So you can go to this website called Lokesh Coder. I'm also going to provide link to this website in the description. So let's just generate some blobs from this website. So you can just come here and click on this change blob button and generate some blobs. Also, you can customize your blobs, adjust this randomness, complexity, and if you want to get the same values, you can just set this randomness to 16 and complexity to 14. Okay, you can also add color to your blob, you can add patterns to your blob, and you can add images as well in your blob. You can add outline in your blob. Okay, it depends on you how which kind of blob you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna add gradient for now. So this one looks good. Let's just copy the code. You can just click on this button with called view SVG code, and you will get all the code for this SVG. Click on copy code, go to VS Code, paste this code in our HTML file, click save. Let's just go to browser and see what's going on. Okay, we are getting some weird stuff. Okay, let's just adjust the width of this block. Let's just set the width to 50. Still big in my opinion. Let's just set it to 30%. Okay, this one looks good. Also, let's just center it in our browser. Okay, let's just center this block. So if I go to my styles.css and let's just center it. Display flex, line item center, justify content center. Click save and let's just go to browser. Yeah, it's centered now. So let's just animate this now. So how we can animate this? If I go to this website again, you can see there is a D attribute in this path. We can animate this D attribute to animate this blob. Okay, so why we want to animate this D attribute only? So if I can show you, so if I click on change blob, you're gonna see this D attribute is only gonna change. So M432. If I click on change block button again, M449, click on change block again, M446, and the rest of the values is gonna be same. Okay, so how we can animate this? How we can animate this D? So if I go to my code again, and in this path, in its children, we can say animate. Okay, we can use this animate tag, and in this animate tag, all I can say, we want to add, animate, we can want to add the attribute name. So we want to animate this t attribute from this path. So I can just say attribute d. Okay, and the duration of this animation is gonna be 5 seconds, and repeat count. So we want to repeat this animation again and again. It's gonna be infinite animation, right? So it's gonna be repeat count is gonna be infinite. So it's gonna called indefinite. Don't confuse it with infinite. Okay, indefinite. Okay. So now for the now also we also need to add some values here. We are gonna add this t value in this values. Okay. So let's just add values and copy this t. Let's just cut it from here. Remove. You can remove this t from here. Okay. And let's just paste it in this values. Okay. Now if I go to my browser again, you can see we have this same behavior, but it's not animating. We need to have some more blobs path. Okay. So if I come here and if I click on change blob, let's just copy d from here. Okay. Hit enter, just paste it here. Add semicolon. Always remember you need to add semicolon after every t path. Okay. Here as well. Okay. So if I get one again, okay, paste it here, semicolon, and again hit enter. Let's just generate one more. Okay, let's just copy this here, the value from here again at the end, hit enter, paste the value here. Okay, let's just save now and see what's going on. So if I go to my browser, as you can see, we are getting some blob animation. But if you see, we are getting some weird behavior here, like this snap thing, right? So to fix this, we can just copy the first value, okay, this one, copy this, okay, and paste it in the end as well. So yeah, paste it in the end as well. So now, if I go to my browser again, now it's fixed, okay. So that's gonna be it from me, guys. And if you like this video, if you learned something new from this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also, if you want to learn how you can create this springy kind of animation on button click, you can give your suggestions in the comment, and I will work on this video as well. So thank you. Bye bye.